Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Miller here, and today we are going to do an experiment involving lemons. With the lemons, we are also going to use baking soda. I'm going to sprinkle that on top of the lemon. Dish soap, which I'm also going to put on the lemon. And food coloring, which I will also put on the lemon. And I have food coloring in blue, green, and red. I also have an extra lemon in case I need to use some more lemon juice, a napkin in case it gets messy, and something to help me poke holes in the lemon, okay? Now, we're going to combine all these things together to see what will happen. And I want you to take a guess at home of what you think might happen, okay? And when we do science experiments like this, our guesses are not just called guesses, okay? They are called our hypothesis. And a hypothesis isn't just any guess. If you said, Miss Miller, I think the lemon's going to shoot all the way up to the moon, do you think that's really going to happen? No. Okay? A hypothesis is a guess based on what you already know. So we know a little bit about lemons, that they have a lot of juice, right? We know baking soda is just kind of a white powder. We know dish soap creates bubbles. And we know food coloring makes things become a different color. So based on what you already know, I want you to create your own hypothesis or what you think might happen. Okay, you have it in your head? Yeah? You ready? Okay, so first things first, I'm going to poke holes in the lemons. I already poked holes in these two, so I'm just going to do it in this one, okay? I'm going to take my little knife and poke holes in each of the individual triangle pieces inside the lemon. Once that is done, I'm going to put my food coloring on the lemons. I'll start with green. I'll start with red, this one's not working. I'm going to put it all over my lemon, okay? Just kind of drizzle it on. All right. Take my blue and drizzle it on. Really mix it in there so it gets deep into the holes. And I'll take my green and drizzle it on. Okay, now that my lemons have the food dye on it, I'm going to take my dish soap and I'm going to put it all over my lemons. Now, for the final piece, I'm going to put my baking soda on it. I'm going to take my spoon, and you can put a lot of baking soda on it, okay? I'm going to put it all over my lemons. And look, it's already starting to happen. Add on as much baking soda as you want. I'm going to take my little knife and just poke a few more holes in it to really get the reaction going. If you can already see the blue lemon, look, there's already some bubbles starting to form. You see it in the green too. It's coming right out. Now, if I want to make it really bubble, I can add in some more lemon juice or my extra lemon, okay? So watch this. You see that reaction? Look at it. Look at all of the bubbles that come up. Okay, now that we've seen what has happened with our lemon, we can decide if our hypothesis was correct. And it's okay if you did not get your hypothesis correct, okay? Science is about making guesses and seeing if they are correct. If they're not, it's okay, you try again. Now, you might be thinking, Ms. Miller, how did this happen? How did my lemon explode? So, the citric acid of the lemon reacts to part of the baking soda to create a gas. Now, I used the food coloring and the soap so that you'd be able to see the gas bubble up a lot easier, okay? Now, this reaction, is it a slow change or a fast change? You have to think back to a month or so ago when we were in school and we were talking about fast and slow changes. I'll give you a few seconds to really think about it. Okay, do you have it in your head? That's right, it is a fast change because it bubbled up so quickly, just like a volcano. All right? For our next experiment, on our next video, we are going to try the same experiment with different types of fruit, of citric fruit, to see if it has the same exact reaction. Okay? All right. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.